Hey, it's Greg from AA Ignition, and today we're going to go over our engine oil pressure sensor, which is a replacement for various GM vehicles, including the Chevy Silverado, Suburban, Tahoe, Impala, and a bunch of other GM vehicles, including GMCs and Cadillacs. So let's go ahead and open the box. Okay, and you'll see here's our new sensor. And this sensor monitors the oil pressure of the engine. It comes with thread sealant on the seals already. Comes with a new crush washer. And you can see here it has a electrical connector that plugs into the factory harness. This sensor monitors engine oil pressure in your vehicle. So if you're getting a engine oil light on your vehicle, and your engine is adequately filled with oil, chances are your factory sensor's gone bad, and our sensor will fix the issue. Installation's pretty simple. You want to uninstall your old sensor using a wrench or a socket. You're going to unscrew it counterclockwise. You want to clean the threads. You're going to clean the area where this crush washer is going to seal to. This is going to screw into a hole like that. So you want to clean the tops where that crush washer is going to seal, and then plug the electrical connector in, and you're good to go.